Hi there, in this video we are going to go over how to write the equation of a line given 2 points. Alright, so I have a few steps here. Step 1, you're going to first find the slope because you need, the equation of a line is made up of y equals mx plus b. And you are also given m and b when we have the equation of a line. So those are the two that we need to look for. If we're given 2 points, you need to then get m based on the 2 points, and then we're going to solve for b. So first we're going to find the slope using the slope formula, right? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That is how we find our slope, right? Then we're going to plug in the slope for m, and then choose one of the points to plug in x and y to solve for b. And then we are going to lastly rewrite it in slope-intercept form. All right, so first we are given 4, 8 and negative 2, 5. So we're going to say this is x1, y1, this is x2, this is y2. All right, and our slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we have 5 minus 8 over negative 2 minus 4. We're going to do keep, change, and we get negative 3. Keep, change, and we get negative 6, which is positive 1/2. All right, so now we know our slope. Now pick one of the points. I'm going to pick this one. I usually look to see which one has all positive numbers, right? Which one has the easier numbers, and that's the one that I work with, that I choose to plug into my equation. All right, so we just did step 1. Now step 2, we're going to plug in the slope, pick one of the points, and plug in the x and y into y equals mx plus b. All right, so we're going to do y equals mx plus b. M is now replaced with 1/2. X is replaced with 4. And y is replaced with 8. I got those again from this ordered pair here. X is 4, y is 8 in that ordered pair. Okay, and now I'm solving for b. So 1/2 of 4 is 2. Minus 2 minus 2, we have 6 is equal to b. All right, so once we plugged in our slope and our ordered pair, then we solved for b. Now we're going to rewrite in slope-intercept form. So y equals mx plus b. We need to plug in the m and the b, so y equals 1/2 x plus 6. All right, and that's all. So let's move on to example 2. The points 10, 9, and 9, 9 fall on a particular line. What is its equation in slope-intercept form? All right, so before we do anything, we need to find the slope. So we're going to say x1, y1, x2, y2. So our slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is 9, y1 is 9. x2 is 9, x1 is 10. 9 minus 9 is 0. And then down here, keep, change, we get negative 1. 0 divided by negative 1 gets us 0. So our slope is 0. All right, so we got one piece of our equation down. Next, we're going to start with y equals mx plus b, and we're going to plug in one of the points. Pick one point. I am going to use this one just because it is the first one, not for any other reason why. So I have 9 here equals 0. My x is 10 and plus b. So again, in case you're wondering, where did I get the 9 and the 10 from? I got them from this point here. 9 is y and 10 is x there. All right, here, 0 times 10 is 0. So I'm actually just going to cross this out. And then we get 9 is equal to b. All right, once you have our slope and our y-intercept, you can plug them into y equals mx plus b. So y equals 0x plus 9. 0x is just 0, so this equation of this line is y equals 9. And hopefully you recognize that this is a horizontal line because you just have y equals 9. Your slope of a horizontal line is 0. All right, now example 3. We are going to start again with our slope. So write the equation for a line that passes through the points 7, 0, and 6, 3. So first we're going to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're going to say x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 is 3 minus y1, which is 0, over x2, which is 6, minus x1, which is 7. All right, so now we have 3 minus 0 is 3. 6 minus 7, keep change, you get negative 1. So negative 3 is your slope. All right, next we are going to plug in what we know into y equals mx plus b. So we know now our slope is negative 3. We're going to pick a point. I'm going to pick this one just because it's the first one. No other reason why. You can pick either. So 7 is actually x, so we're going to plug in 7 for x. We're going to plug in 0 for y, and we're going to add b. All right, so that is your equation once you plug in their numbers. And now we have negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. Add 21 to both sides, and we get b equals 21. Once you get your m and your b, now you can plug it into y equals mx plus b. Y equals negative 3x plus 21. All right, thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned how to write the equation of a line given 2 points.